Hi guys, my name is Kim. I made this teddy bear get well card for my mom's friend, and one of the girls on Facebook where I posted it asked me if I could do a video. Now I've never done a video, so I'll do my best. Hope you like. Okay, this is how you start with the base card. Here in the green, it's 8, 5 by 5 with score lines 2 inches from either side. Then the rectangle on the bottom would be 8, 5 by 1, 5, again with score lines 2 inches from either side. I also make the rectangles the color of the paper I'm going to use, just easier for me to figure out which item is which. Okay, next what you're going to do is make the panels for the inside of the card. They're going to be 6 by 1.25 with score lines 3/4 of a way in on each side, and then you're going to duplicate it. The next step is to make the panels for the base card. The first one's going to be 4, 5 by 5, and the two inside panels are going to be 2 by 5. Then you're going to make an additional 2 panels 2 by 5 for the outside of the card. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is we're going to do the bed. You're going to insert images, and then you're going to go into the panel and put number M39801. You're going to search. It's going to come up. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to go down on the bottom and insert image. Okay, when the bed comes up, go back to the layers panel, and you're going to ungroup it, which is on the bottom, and you're going to take the green one, and you're going to delete it. Then you're going to take the bed, and you're going to duplicate it. You're going to go down on the bottom and hit duplicate, and you're going to get 2 of them. Okay, now you're going to go into the edit panel. You're going to unlock it. You're going to put the size you need in, which is 4.36 by 3.55. You're going to tap the board. There you go. It's the first one. Then you're going to tap on this one. It says it's unlocked. You're going to go back in. 4.36 by 2.75. And you're going to click on the image, and then you're going to go up to print, and then you're going to hit patterns. And the pattern that I need is this one here. It's the wood finish look. And you click on it, and then it's applied to the image. So then you do it again the same way. You go over to the panel, you click on it, you hit print, patterns, and you hit that. Okay, then you hit go, and it will print just like this. Okay, it just cut it out. I'm going to be pulling it off the mat. Okay, now the next step is the bed sheets. You're going to go to insert image, and you're going to put number M2EAD6. Hit search. Now this is the rosette that people use for flowers. I used it for the bed sheets. You can use whatever you want, but this is what I used. I hit it, insert image, bring it up. I'm going to take off the score line by hiding it with the eye. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to duplicate it and duplicate it. You need 3 of these. And the size would be 4.66 by 2.4. So the next step you're going to do, like I did before, is go into the layers panel, and you're going to hit on the thing, and you're going to hit print, patterns, and you're going to look for a pattern that you like. I know mine was definitely Cricut Access, and it was green, so I'm going to push green. And then you're going to just kind of float through them until you see the one that you want. Now let them load. There it is. This is the one I used. And the eye is Green Bohemian Yummy. Again, you're just going to go back. You're going to hit on the object. You're going to hit print. You're going to hit patterns. This one's going to come up now that we found it. You're going to do it again. You're going to hit the image. And where is it highlighted? There it is. You're going to hit that. You're going to hit print. You're going to hit patterns. And then you're going to hit that. So that's the finish with the sheets. Okay, now you're going to take the 2 sheet images and the 3 green sheet images, and 2 of them are attached. The one to the right, I already attached it. The one to the left, all you're going to do is leave a little bit of room so you can see the edge of the white, and you're going to glue it. Next, I took the sheet that didn't have the white behind it and attached it to the back of the card, which goes on top of the bed frame about 1 inch down. Okay, now we're going to make the pillow. You go to Insert Image, you hit number M3707A, you hit the search button. Pillow comes up, you click it, you insert image. Okay, you're going to bring it to the top, and then you're going to go to the Layers panel, and you're going to hit Ungroup. Then you're going to take the bed rest part, and you're going to delete it. Okay, there's the pillow. You're going to go into the Layers panel. You're going to click it on. You're going to hit Print, because we need the same pattern as the sheet. Patterns, and there it is. Then I take it again, and I duplicate it. I need the back of the pillow. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to get Colors. I'm going to hit Gray. And then I'm going to go into the Edit panel, and I'm going to adjust the size. I want a little bit bigger. So it's 3.43 by 2.54, and that's the pillow. Okay, so I took the white pillow and the green pillow and I glued them together so you can see the outline of the white. Next, just glue the pillow a little bit above the scallop so you see the bed rails behind it. Next is the bear. Insert image, number M3E944, search. Gonna hit Insert Image. Okay, and here's the bear. The size on the bear is going to be 2.47 by 3.16. Now, you're going to have to detach everything. I did not use the slippers, and I only used the bear in the photograph on the wall. Cut and assemble. Okay, the next step is the label for the front of the card. It's M465F5. The size is 3.73 by 1.39. Okay, then you go back to the layers, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to ungroup it. You're ungrouping it because we want to write on the peach colored label. You're going to add the text, and I'm going to type in get well, enter, very soon. Okay, then you're going to line it up, and then you're going to go into edit, and you're going to look for what you want to use as an alphabet. Okay, I use Country Life. Go down to Country Life, click on it. Okay, then I'm going to put it in writing, so it writes. Then I'm going to size it to fit, line it up. Then you're going to hit the Get Well and the Control key, and you're going to go to the Layers panel and you're going to attach it. So when you go to print, that's the label back, and that's the label, and the machine's going to write on it. Okay, after you print out the labels, which I have here on the table, I'm going to apply them to the front of the box. Okay, the next is the tissue box. Insert image, M42CCC. There's the tissue box. Insert image. Okay, you're going to go up to the edit panel, and you're going to make it 1.26 by 8.1. Print and cut. Okay, next is the prescription bottle. That is M44A52, and the size on it is 0.5 by 0.78. Print and cut. Okay, the next part is the frame, and that number is M440A5, and the size is 1.65 by 2.3. Now you're going to take the image and you're going to ungroup it, because what I want to make is a back for the frame so I could put the teddy bear on it. So what I did already, I made a insert circle, and I unlocked it, and I made it 1.44 by 2.12. And what you're going to do is slide it behind there, and then you're going to hit Control, and then you're going to hit Layers, and you're going to attach it. So, or weld it, whatever you want to do. And then you're going to have back. You'll have your frame that you can print and cut, and you should already have your teddy bear assembled. You just attach it to the frame. The card is finished. You'll notice that it does flatten to go into the envelope. Okay, these are the two completed cards. The left one was the original that I put on Facebook, and the blue one is the remake. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please subscribe.